Welcome to Mobile World Congress 2025. I'm Ralf Schäfer, VP Standards at InterDigital. Today I'm happy to present you the future of immersive sports entertainment. We think that the future will be more beyond 2D, and also that, for example, haptic feedback will be integrated so as to better capture the ambience of a sports stadium and also the performance of the player. Today we show three parts here that we have on the screen. So we start on the left, which is representing live video. It is content courtesy from Sinclair Broadcast and CBC. And we show here best sports video quality that is using HDR, based on advanced HDR developed by InterDigital and Philips. It includes a production solution and also a distribution solution. Once that the event is over, we think that when the event is replayed for some key scenes, for example, that the user would like to watch again, it is useful to enrich it with, for example, haptic feedback or with volumetric video. And I go a little bit more into details now. So these are the two enhancements that we are showing. One is the haptic feedback. It could, for example, mean if you have a tablet in your hand, that it vibrates at a certain moment. Or if you have a headset on your head, that when an event is happening, that you get haptics feedback from the device. Volumetric video, it means that you can watch that content from all directions. That means you would play it back, and then you freely choose the camera position. You're your own director and can see it exactly from the angle that you would like to see it. And the volumetric part, it's called V3C. Visual Volumetric Video-Based Coding, and it consists of three solutions. One is point cloud-based, called VPCC. One is mesh-based, it's called VDMC. And one is MAV, which is multi-view plus steps. All these three solutions are in this specification. So our demonstrations here are based on off-the-shelf devices. And we use a tablet and a Razer headset that can be used to feel the haptic feedback. So the tablet is vibrating when player hits the ball. The headset is also then moving your head a little bit, and like this you can better capture the ambience of the stadium and the performance of the player. The volumetric video part is also running on a tablet. It's running at 30 frames per second, and it's decoding around 2 million points per point cloud frame, and it gives a very good visual quality. Both is also implemented on the Meta Quest, that is my colleague showcasing here. And you can use the Meta Quest at the same time than your headphones, so you profit from the view of the HMD and also of the headphone with the haptic feedback. So in order to facilitate market introduction, InterDigital, together with its partner Philips, have released reference tools in 5G Mark, so that operators, manufacturers, and other stakeholders can use that to evaluate the technology and see if it is interesting for them. Thank you very much for your attention.